Hello and welcome to Be Made in Revit tutorials. In this Revit tutorial, I would like to show you 3 different ways to create door and window legends. I would also like to share with you some tips and tricks that I discovered while modeling different projects. For this tutorial, I will use a model of a villa that I did for one of our clients. You can see it now. All 3 ways of making legends have their advantages and disadvantages. Unfortunately, all of them I will share with you so you can choose the one that is best for your project. The easiest one is a legend, using legend component, and I prefer to use this way. As you can see by clicking on legends on the left, we can create new legend type. I name it windows. And now I will choose one of the windows from this model. For example, this one. This is sliding terrace door. Okay, just to see what is the name of this window. And from annotations we go to legend components and we will choose the number of components that we need. We need floor plan, back and front view, and one section. Now just to find our window, this is the sliding window. Okay, using mesh tool, in this way you can create the sections for window or door legends. Now we will make front and back view. Okay. The scale for this type of legends you can choose as you need for your project. Okay. Now just to show you the problem with this method is some families that we usually find on internet are created in different ways, and the problem appear when we choose the way of opening, the opening direction for door and window. Sometimes the legends don't follow the changes in the project. For example, I will show you now in this example. Okay. Here we have a window. And this one, okay. Now for this family I created parameter that make this work easy by changing the values in the edit type. The opening directions are same in the legends and in the model, but most of the families doesn't have this ability. For example, you have left opening in the project, but legends shows only right opening. I'm sure you face this problem working on the projects. Now I will show you. We have here floor plan, back, front view, and section. Now this is our window. I will open the ground floor. Okay. And here it is. Here we have, in our country, we say left opening. Different countries has their different standards, and I think we understand each other. Okay, now I will close 3D view and I will open only legends and ground floor. Okay, here I will close the 3D view, and at the same time you can follow the changes in the legends and in the model. Now this is the best and the fastest way if you have the properly created window family. The same is with door families. Now changing the values, you can see the opening direction is the same. Now I will change the, you can see here we have now the right opening directions. Okay. All right. We have 5 and 6. You can add this parameter. You can find this the tutorial for creating this parameter on my YouTube channel. I shared it before this tutorial. Okay, you can see by changing for choosing this method of creating legends, you need a properly modeled window family, and as you can see, this is the fastest way for creating window legends. In this tutorial, actually, I will show you only how to create window legends. The same method is with doors. Now I will show you how to put them on the sheets. For now, I will create a sheet with model line, with detail line. Actually, it isn't model line, it's detail line. Okay. Just to change the type of the line. All right. And now I will put the legends on the sheet by clicking on the legend with left click with left button on the mouse and put them on the sheet. All right, we need to create a schedule for this. We need schedule for this window. Just to see what is the name, we will use this one. Okay. And from here we will name this as 12. Okay. And here you have a lot of parameters. I will use few of them. I will use white, height, type, mark. You can use the as parameter as you need for your project. Also, you can create more different parameters as shared parameters or as project parameters. and I will change the order of these parameters. Okay, by level, sort them by level. Now we will use the filter by mark, and we will choose our window as 12. Okay. And now we just to change the name of this sheet. Okay. As I said before, this method is the best one if you have the window family that is created properly for the project. In other words, you need a window family where when you make changes on the window, all changes will appear in the legends in the same time. Because sometimes when we download the families from the different internet sites, we can find the families that have only one opening directions. This is the different way. This is the second way I would like to show you, using the sections and using callout. For this we will duplicate the floor where are our families, and we will change the scale of this floor. The important thing here is that the sections that we are going to use here, we need to change the scale where the sections won't appear. For example, I will show you for this example, we will make the sections invisible on the scale bigger than 25. As you can see, it isn't visible in the ground floor, in the main ground floor. You need to do this with all sections that we will use for the window family views and sections. We are going to have two views, interior and exterior, and we are going to have one section. We will name them so we can find them easily. Exterior, and it's 12 interior, and here we will have one section of the window. Okay. Now we will change the name of the callout. Floor plan. That can be FP. Okay. FP, no, just FP. Okay, sorry. All right. And now we will make a group for these floor plans and sections. From here we will create a new group. We will name it window family. Okay. No legends. It is down there. All right. We will do the same with sections. Okay. We did this so we can find our let's say legends for this window easier. This make our project management much easier in this way. Okay, we will put, this is a very big scale. Okay, we will make it 125. And now, by playing with visibility graphic settings, we will close everything beside the window. Okay. We will do same with annotation. Okay. And now in this example, I will leave the wall and structure framing visible. Okay, walls and structure framing. Right, here it is. Structure framing. The advantage of this method is, as you can see, is you can show the walls and relations with the window with walls as they are in the project. Okay. I will change the scale. Now I will put the views, exterior and interior view, by changing the crop region. And now in visibility graphic settings, I will close everything beside the window, and I will make the template from this view, and you can use this template for all other families in the project, for all other window families in the project. Okay. All right. And now I will create the template from this view. I will call it window legends. Okay. All right, and I will use this template, this view template on this. As you can see, the interior view is ready. Now we will create the section. This method is very good for section. You can show the window with all other elements, floors and walls, so the presentation is more clear for manufacturer. Okay, we have a window background. All right, we just need to change the depth of the view. Okay. Now, okay, now it's good. And here we, as I said before, we can show the walls and floors. Okay, walls, structural framing, and floors. I forgot to turn on the floors. Okay, and you can see it looks great. When you create this one legends for one window, you can use this view templates. You can create view templates and use them for all other windows. The problem with this method is that you need more time for making legends, especially if you work on big projects. You need more time than when you use the legends component in the project. But as I said before, sometimes we have problem with windows and doors family with window and door families. They don't show the changes in the as they are in the project. For example, we have different directions in the projects, different in the legends. Sometimes for single panel windows, we have only right opening directions in the legends, but in the project you have right, left, and so on. If you have 3 panel windows, you can you can have a different type of windows. This is third method that I would like to show you. Maybe this is the best method for creating legends by using assembly views. But the problem with this is also the time for creating the legends. But it's better than if we talk about time that we need for creating the legends, this is method better than second one. But in this method you cannot easily show the relations between window and other elements such as floors, walls, beams, columns, and so on. The good things about this method is that you have sections in the old drawing, so you can know from which way you looking at this family. And also in a very easy way you can create all views you need for this family, from back front views, floor plan view, orthographic view, even you have material takeoffs in this method that you can create in a very, very easy way. Now here I have some views that I don't need, and I will delete them. I need only front, back, floor plan, section, and orthographic view. As you can see, with this method you see the sections. You can see where is the family cutted in front view, in floor view, and in the section also. You can play with this views, so they take less place on the sheet. All right. Okay, I can delete this elevation top view. I don't need it. Because I already have a view that cut the window in the middle. And here it is, orthographic view. One advantage with this method also is that you can name and number the sheet with same names in the project. For example, you can have more than one sheet with same number. For example, 1, 0, 1 or 0, 2. You can start with this number as much time as you need. Every time when you create a new assemblies, you can number that sheet with the same number. For example, you have windows. You have more than one sheet. For example, from 1 to 10. And when you finish with window families and you start to create door families, for example, you can start with number 1 without any problem. Now I will duplicate and I will copy and paste this sheet and put all drawings on the same sheet. To make them, I need a place for all of them, so I will play with these views. Okay. You can change the scales of the family, and in a very easy way you can create a good presentation. I showed you here 3 methods for creating legends. The same is with doors. Okay, as you know, when you use that view template, if you want to make any changes, you must go to the view template. Okay. And as you can see, now I'm playing with scales, and I'm trying to find the best position for all these drawings. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this will be helpful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you one more time, and see you in the next tutorial.